Hello, my dear viewers. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and well, safe at your homes. So, welcome back again on my YouTube channel, Street Fashion. Once again, I collected for you people the amazing and stunning, beautiful, the Christmas earrings collection. All are beautiful holidays wear, Christmas wear earrings designs and ideas you guys will find in this whole video. So I want to request you people, please watch this video till the end. Different type of amazing beautiful Christmas tree designs and the Santa designs, and which you guys can easily carry on Christmas. You guys can easily watch from my videos, and all are so amazing and beautiful. Earrings collection you guys will find small and beautiful to carry on Christmas. So do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon as well if you guys want to watch this type of collection more on my channel, and give me your reviews and your feedback in the comment section. Do like my this video and ideas of Christmas wear earrings. So I will definitely bring more amazing beautiful collection for people. All type of Christmas stuff are available on my previous videos as well, so you guys can easily watch my all videos, get designs and ideas of outfits, the wearing and styling ideas, the decoration ideas, the cakes decorating ideas. All type of stuff is available, and if you guys will give me your reviews and your feedback in the comment section, it will be really helpful for me and motivate me as well to bring more amazing beautiful collection for you people. So tell me in comment section, do you like my this video, and is my video is helpful for you guys, and what you guys want to watch on my upcoming videos. You can also suggest me, give me ideas in the comment section, so I will bring that collection for you people. Hopefully, just like my all videos collection, this video is also helpful for you people, and you guys will find different type of amazing beautiful stuff from my this video as well. So I will be back again with my another amazing video. Like my video, share it with your friends and family so they can also buy this type of earrings on Christmas. And I want to thank you for watching my this video collection.